Good morning, girls. We'll continue with the next sum with the petty cash book. So record the following transactions in the petty cash book. So they have impressed balance of 500 is given. So here we have very few transactions like stationery paid is given 100 rupees here, bus fare, cartage, taxi fare, wages, postage. So they have given these few transactions here. With this we need to prepare petty cash book. Now let's see here now. So how to prepare this petty cash book here. So yesterday already we have started the first sum. The number of columns will be the same like yesterday here. Like amount received we have date, particulars, voucher number, amount paid. Analysis of payment here. So we have these many columns. These columns will be the same. It will not change for any sum. The columns will be the same. There is no extra added here. Any columns will not be removed. Okay. So postage, telephone, conveyance, stationery and miscellaneous. Okay, the first they have given as a impressed balance is there. So to balance brought down. When amount we are receiving, we are writing here in the left side. Like in the previous video, previous sum you have seen it. Amount received. And all the payments will be here in your right side of the column. So now first they have given us on 24th as stationery has been paid. So by stationery 100 rupees. Now stationery here, so we have the column for stationery as well. So we wrote the amount again in the stationery column. Okay. The next we have here bus fare. So by bus fare amount in the payment column. Then again bus fare is a travel expense or we call as a conveyance. So we enter in the conveyance. Next cartage has been paid the 40 rupees here. So cartage we don't have any column. So we write here in the miscellaneous. Taxi fare 80 rupees has been paid. So taxi fare it's a traveling expense. We can also call as a conveyance. We enter here in this column. Again next wages 90 rupees. We don't have any column for the wages here. So we'll write here as a miscellaneous. Then next we have the postage here. Postage has been paid 80 rupees and the postage column we enter the 80 rupees. Then next here the same like we need to total up these columns. Miscellaneous column if you add here you get as 130. Stationery you have 100. Conveyance you have 92. Telephone we don't have anything here, just we enter as empty, and postage we have 80 rupees. The next what we should do now here, all the payments we have to add, means from 100, 12, 40, 80, 90 and 80. Add all the amount and minus here. How much we received here? We received 500. How much you spent is there. So subtract how much you received and how much you spent, subtract, and the remaining balance will be there. Okay, so now we'll find out now here. We'll add and we'll find out how much is there. Still we have the remaining balance here. So if you add here all the amounts here, so we get amount of 402. How much cash has been received here? 500. So from 500 you subtract here this 402 here. So we have still remaining balance of 98. So this amount will become here as a balance carried down. So by balance carried down above your total column 98. So carry down is here. So after total we will write as a brought down. To balance brought down will be the other side 98. Okay, so carry down is above the total, brought down will be after the total. Then again now the next year, the next month here, the same balance of 98, we can start this sum. So that's how we continue the each account here for the next financial year. You will be take this balance. Now this balance with the balance brought down. Now how we got here same, right? Balance brought down, we started this sum. Now again when they give the next year here, we'll start the sum with this balance brought down of 98 we can start. So this is how we have to prepare this petty cash book.